Welcome to Markets and Matchups, your weekly dose of finance and footy.
We'll kick off with a quick wrap of the markets before diving into the NRL tipping comp.
Don't forget to get your tips in to our BPC Footy tipping comp. We're announcing our grand prize within this video.
Okay, on to the market wrap. The last 5 days have been gloomy, with the tech-heavy Nasdaq down 4.8%, Dow was down 2.6%, and the S&P was down 3.5%. Locally, the ASX 200 was down 4.5% also. Tariff concerns again have taken the headlines. US markets experienced significant fluctuations due to these trade policies, as well as the potential for a recession. This came from weaker than expected job growth and rising unemployment, which affected investor sentiment and led to market dips. Tech stocks were particularly impacted, mostly tech giants like Tesla, Nvidia, Apple, taking significant hits due to mounting recession fears. Australian markets have also seen volatility, with sectors like real estate and technology bearing the brunt of the losses. Tariffs on steel and aluminium exports to the US have also further heightened uncertainty on the local markets. Commodities were also impacted by market instability. Gold has shown mixed results as a safe haven asset, while oil prices rebounded but faced ongoing uncertainty due to geopolitical tensions and the potential for a recession. Iron ore continued to experience declines, especially in China, again influenced by global trade concerns and production cuts.
Time for a little more fun. Let's jump into round one of the footy.
This week's wins and losses. Are you upset you backed the Eels?
A little bit. It was quite an upsetting game. I really thought Zach and Josh Adokar would perform and help us out.
They got a hiding, actually.
Yeah, absolutely. It was a bit disappointing. It was a close game, though, with the Bunnies and Dolphins, 16-14. Who were you backing there?
Yep, I was actually Bunnies.
Oh, you like the Bunnies, do you?
Bunnies. Yeah. I used to be Newtown, so that's kind of my area.
Close to home.
Yeah. But my interest was in the Broncos game. Did you watch that?
Oh, with Payne Haas. I did.
Yes.
Big game.
Yeah, huge game.
They beat Roosters.
Who's your standout?
Payne Haas for sure. Yeah. Do you normally go for Broncos, or would you have picked Roosters to win that game?
No, I was backing the Broncos. Yeah. I did well in my tipping comp last week.
Oh, actually. You did? I think you're coming fourth, actually. Is that right?
Yeah. What are you coming, Scarlett?
I'm coming last, but let's not talk about it.
Okay.
A few upsets overall with losses from Tigers, Eels, and even the Cowboys. That was a bit surprising versus Manly.
Yeah. Manly are playing well, though.
I like Daly Cherry-Owens.
Yeah, look, they've got a good side and they're in form. So next week's game will be tough, actually. They've got the Warriors.
Oh, do they? Manly versus Warriors next week?
Yeah.
Are you excited for another loss?
Well, the thing about the Warriors is we like to keep everyone on the edge of their seats.
Oh.
You know? So we got
by losing every week.
Well, we got an informed team and then a not so informed team with the Warriors.
Mm-hmm.
But
which one of those teams keeps losing? The main team. Yes. Okay, so we've had some changes in the tipping comp leaderboard. Coming first, we have ESPN Footy Tips user, and number 2, Bulldog Mick 1. Pretty good guess that he goes for Bulldogs. Let's see how they go this year.
Yeah. No, that's a good pick. I like the Bulldogs.
You like the Bulldogs?
Yeah.
Well, talking about the tipping comp, our grand prize, are you excited to announce it? What do you think it is?
Surely something to do with a trip, maybe?
Maybe.
Tell me, Scarlett.
I'll announce it, don't worry. Make sure you lock in your tips for BPC's Footy Tipping Comp, and you can be eligible to win our grand prize, which actually is a Las Vegas experience for round 1 next year. Isn't that exciting?
Wow, that's huge.
I know.
That's massive.
I wish we could actually win that. Obviously, terms and conditions do apply, and there'll be more information in the description below.
So that's it for this week's Markets and Matchup.
Make sure you lock in your tips in our BPC Footy Tipping Comp and tune in next week for more finance and footy.